Hello friends, welcome back. This video is all about how you can restore Infinix Hot 9 Android phone. If your smartphone works very slow or hangs, you want to bypass screen lock, or you have a full memory and you want to erase everything, or you want to sell it or give it away and you want nobody to be able to access your files and password, you can do a factory reset. You must bear in mind that a reset or return to the factory state as a mobile phone deletes all its content, so you must take a backup of your data before doing it if you do not want to lose everything. Restore with hard reset or recovery mode. Your Infinix Hot Night can solve problems that have not been solved with a normal factory reset. Let's start. Turn up your Infinix Hot 9 completely. If you cannot unlock the screen, place and hold the 4 button for about 20 seconds and the phone will turn up. Keep holding on volume up and 4 keys together for a few seconds if your Infinix Hot 9. When the Infinix logo is displayed, release the buttons. Move through the menu with the volume up and volume down keys until you reach the recovery mode option and press the 4 button to exit. After a few seconds, you will return to the previous screen with the volume button. Go to the option Wipe Data Factory Reset and press the 4 button to enter. A screen with many nodes and yes will appear with the volume keys again. Go to Yes and press with the 4 key. After finishing again with the volume keys, click on Reboot System Now and press the 4 keys of your Infinix Hot 9. The device will reboot and take several minutes to start while restoring the device to its factory state and optimizing the applications pre-installed in the system. Hope you like it and you know how you can restore by hard reset your Infinix Hot 9. Please subscribe the channel if you do not. Thanks for watching. See you later.